Can you imagine this? For middle-aged and older adults whose legs feel weak or unsteady, after dinner, all you need is to develop one simple habit to make your legs flexible and strong again. As we get older, if you notice your thighs getting thinner, your knees feeling weak when walking downstairs, or your legs giving way easily, and when standing up from the toilet, you need to hold on to something, yet it still feels difficult to get up, then it may mean that your hips, thighs, and knees have already started to age. But at the same time, I want to congratulate you, because today you came across my video. This is the final solution for leg training. Here, you don't need to go running, and you don't need to learn square dancing either. You only need to spend 6 minutes before bed every day doing this movement with me, and I can help you regain flexible legs and steady steps. I am Coach Hai. In my 24 years as a fitness coach, I have used this method to help more than 12,800 people with weak or unstable legs improve their ability to squat, stand up, and walk steadily. One case that impressed me deeply was my neighbor upstairs. Before, he had to hold the handrail tightly and tremble just to walk downstairs. After practicing this movement with me, he now feels energetic every day, and his steps are light and steady. So what exactly is this movement? It is weighted resistance training for the legs. This is widely recognized in the fitness world as the most effective way to build leg muscle strength. Every middle-aged and older person who has practiced it says this movement is truly valuable. Give me a little heart, and I will demonstrate this movement for you without holding anything back. If you have family members or friends whose legs are not very flexible, please share this video with them to show your care. Since this is weighted resistance training for the legs, the first thing we need is proper resistance. A resistance band is the best choice. It has already become a common home training tool for middle-aged and older adults. Many people already have one at home. If you don't, you can find it at large supermarkets or online. It's very affordable, costing less than a small portion of meat. Once you're ready, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Place the resistance band between your inner thighs. Use both legs to squeeze the band inward, while rising up onto your toes, bringing the knees toward the toes. When you reach the top, hold for 3 seconds. You will feel a slight trembling in your inner thighs. That means your muscles are working against the resistance. This is exactly how leg strength and muscle are built. Then slowly release. Remember, during resistance training, the slower you move, the faster your muscles and strength grow. Exhale as you squeeze inward. Inhale through the nose as you release. As you practice, feel the movement carefully. Besides the obvious effort in the thighs, do you also feel your glutes and calves contracting? With just this one movement, your glutes, thighs, and calves are fully trained and activated. These 3 muscle groups are the most important for stabilizing the hips, knees, and ankles. They are also the key muscles that allow us to squat, stand up, go up and down stairs, and walk safely every day. When these muscles become strong, your steps become steady, and you no longer need to worry about falling. Do 15 repetitions per set, complete 5 sets a day, resting 1 minute between sets. You see, resistance training for older adults is actually very simple. You don't need to learn many movements. Just master this one movement thoroughly. This is the resistance training that middle-aged and older adults should choose. As a coach with 24 years of experience, trust me, after 1 week of practice, you will clearly feel a difference in leg strength. After 1 month, squatting, standing up, and walking up or down stairs will feel much easier. After 1 year, your legs will feel as if they've been completely renewed. Finally, I want to tell you this. You've worked hard your whole life. You deserve strong, healthy legs. If you're not sure where to find the resistance band I use, you can tap my profile and visit my live room. I'll teach you more ways to use resistance training safely and effectively.